The Spence School Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a parent, student, or faculty member at the Spence School, their app promises streamlined communication, access to school resources, and enhanced community engagement, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is its convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming school apps are just for grades. The Spence School app lets users access class schedules, homework assignments, and event calendars in real time. For example, a student can check today's schedule, or a parent can RSVP for upcoming events in seconds. The app also improves communication. Teachers, administrators, and families can exchange messages quickly, and push notifications keep everyone informed about important updates, like weather closures or emergency alerts. Another advantage is access to resources. The app may include library catalogues, forms, and learning materials, making it easier for students to complete assignments and for parents to stay involved. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches, slow loading times, or difficulty navigating certain sections. The app's full functionality may also be limited compared to desktop portals, meaning some forms or reports still require traditional login methods. Additionally, technical support within the app can be inconsistent. In conclusion, the Spence School app is ideal for keeping students, parents, and faculty connected and informed. The surprising truth is that while it adds convenience, it doesn't completely replace traditional communication channels or administrative processes. For families and students looking to streamline schedules, assignments, and notifications, the Spence School app is a helpful tool, but knowing its limitations will ensure you use it effectively alongside other school resources.